and today I want to show you my brand new plugin called One-Click Login. Yes, it's a one-click login system which does not need any passwords to log into your WordPress site, and this is exactly why we created it. No more passwords are required to be remembered or to be shared. You can use this plugin to actually share access with other people without actually having to share a password, and that is amazing, right? Let me quickly show you how this works. You just go into your WordPress area and go into plugin section and click on add new. And after that, click on upload plugin and install the one-click login plugin from here. Now, once the plugin is installed and activated, it automatically adds a login box on your WordPress login site. Let me log out and show you. This is it. So now this one-click login, you can just enter your email or your username of the WordPress site. So let's say my username is admin and I will enter the login, and it just sends a quick email to my inbox with a login link. There it is. And then I can just quickly click this link over here and directly log into my WordPress site without having to enter a single password at all. Now that gives me direct access to the WordPress admin area without any passwords, and you can not only use this for yourself as an admin, but for all your users. If you use your WordPress site as a membership site or an e-commerce site, you can use it for all your customers and all your members. That is the beauty of this plugin. No more passwords are required, and therefore it makes it even more secure to use this plugin instead of the normal system.
Hey, did you know that you can now log into your WordPress site without even using a password? Yes, thanks to a brand new plugin called One-Click Login. You don't need to remember or save passwords anymore. You don't need to worry about forgetting them or even writing them down. And it works not just for you, but for all your customers, your members, and your users of your site. Whether you run a membership site or an e-commerce site or a blog, this is for you. Whether you sell software or courses or just digital downloads or any products, this is for you. Want to see how this works? Let me show you. Once you install the one-click login plugin, it instantly is ready to use without any settings. Yes, there are 0 settings to be done. Now, when you can try to log into your site, you will see this one-click login box. Just enter your email here and a magic link is immediately sent to your email address. When you click on that magic link, it directly logs you into your site. You see, no more passwords. You can use this for yourself, for every WordPress site you have. And if you sell courses or any kind of products using WordPress, or even for all your customers and members, they can use this feature too. They won't bother you anymore with password issues. This reduces your workload, takes away all the stress, and reduces support issues for your site. And it makes it a fun and seamless experience for you or for anyone using your site. Perfect for e-commerce sites or memberships or even course sites and blogging sites. Almost every WordPress site needs this. So what are you waiting for? Want to make your life password free? Then download the one-click login software today.